Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can add another account in Commbank. So first we will need to open up the Commbank app on our phone, and we have to log in with our NetBank ID and password, or use Face ID or fingerprint login if we have that set up. The second step will be going to the Accounts tab. So once we're logged in, we will click on Account, and the third step will be clicking on Open a new account. Then we just gotta follow the prompts and choose the type of account which we want to open. Now, after we have opened a new account, or if we don't need to open up another account, we can just add a new one. Here you can access the new account, and if we want to link this account, external or joint account, we will link an external bank account via NetBank. So in NetBank, the online banking platform, we have to click on Transfers and then choose Link External Accounts and just follow the prompts. You can then view external accounts in the app. So that's basically how you add an external or another account in Commbank. If we want to add a joint account, for joint accounts, you need to open the account with both parties present, typically done in person or at a branch, after which it will show up in the Commbank app for both holders. So I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.